Compass AI has just been released, and it's quickly making waves in the world of AI software. If you're curious about whether this tool lives up to the hype or just another trend, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Compass AI, and I'll give you the full rundown on whether it's worth your time or not. First off, Compass AI offers an intuitive interface that makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're a digital marketer, small business owner, or a tech enthusiast, the setup process is smooth. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with an interface that doesn't require deep technical knowledge to get started. It's refreshing to see software that doesn't drown you in jargon from the start. One of the standout features of Compass AI is its ability to analyze massive datasets and provide actionable insights almost instantly. Whether you're working with customer data or market trends, the AI's processing speed and accuracy are impressive. The tool uses advanced machine learning algorithms to sift through information and deliver recommendations that feel personalized, making it a perfect fit for businesses looking to leverage data for growth. Another huge plus is the adaptability Compass AI offers. Unlike some AI tools that are rigid and focus only on one area, Compass can be customized to your needs. You can adjust its functionality for anything from predictive analysis to automation tasks. This makes it ideal for a wide range of industries, whether you're in marketing, sales, or even product development. But it doesn't stop there. Compass AI also integrates seamlessly with most major platforms. If you're running your business on popular CRM tools, email, marketing software, or even social media platforms, this AI can pull data from those sources and incorporate it into its analysis. This level of integration makes it a must-have tool for businesses looking to streamline their workflow and increase efficiency. Now let's talk about its scalability. Compass AI isn't just for small businesses or startups. It can scale with you as your business grows. The platform's infrastructure allows it to handle larger datasets as your business expands without a significant drop in performance. This flexibility is crucial for any growing business that needs a tool that can keep up with its needs. On the security front, Compass AI also doesn't disappoint. With strong encryption and privacy protocols in place, your data remains safe. Data security is a top priority for Compass, which means you can trust that any sensitive information you're working with won't be compromised. Lastly, Compass AI comes with comprehensive support. From detailed documentation to responsive customer service, the team behind the software is available to assist with any questions or issues. Whether you're stuck on a technical issue or need guidance on maximizing the software's capabilities, help is just a message away. Now, you're probably wondering if Compass AI is right for you. Well, if you're a business or individual looking for an AI tool that's intuitive, powerful, and flexible, Compass AI might just be what you need. And here's the best part. You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've rounded up a list of the best ones to boost your productivity and grow your business, and I highly recommend giving them a try. Compass AI is definitely one of the top contenders. Check out the links below for your free trial and discover how these AI tools can take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.